I am welcoming and thanks NCC cadets of Nizam College, PG Saibabad College, and PG Secunderabad and Engineering College. So they are looking like army officers. Especially I thanks to Badri sir. He came to me before 1 week and he proposed this program to us. So that day I see he is very with tension because is it possible or not. Once he met to Mr. Minister sir with our madam, political science head of the department, Sridhar madam. Then we are waiting for the permission of Vice Chancellor. So our Vice Chancellor is in USA, Canada trip. The government, that is government trip. So that's why Naresh Reddy sir and me put one message to our Vice Chancellor. So when he is sleeping that time, after that he sees that message, immediately go ahead, a single message, go ahead Mr. Qasim. So now this is program like this. You know very well, sir, this is Arts College. Here we have 23 departments, Arts faculty and Social Science faculty. Social Science faculty, one of the vibrant department, Political Science. So the Political Science department, so you know very well, Political Science department with our university, the MOU with them. So that's why this program is designed like this. So Arts College, it is the replica of Usman University, not only Usman University, it is the replica of Telangana. So prestigious building. So this was founded 1934, completed 1939. So this is we will reach to 100 years within 20 years. So our students, our Arts College students, Telugu department students here, and Political Science department students here, and ESS department here. I think that psychology students. So other departments, there is other English department. How many students English department? No. Economics department. Good. One student here, economics department. So our Arts College students, they are preparing our groups exams only. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Then our students, they had completed BEd course, teacher training course, and TTC, teacher training course. So they are preparing the DSC or teacher post. Then our students majority preparing constable and SI. Constable and SI, major students they are preparing. So that's why we are inviting science students and engineering students. So they are, I think that they are interested to join Air Force and Army, other forces. So this program is for you only. It is not for me and our teachers. It is for you. So they are presenting on PPT how to enter to the Air Force and what are the opportunities in Air Force. So this is, I think that only 30 to 40 minutes they will present their PPT. So this is my opening remarks. Thank you once again. Thank you.